Today too is another moment with Wringle Motion. I am giving out some fonts for free. Fonts that will help you. So I'm starting with Playful Display, Anton, Montserrat, Gloria, Hallelujah, and all these fonts is for professional designer to make all their best designs pop out. And I'm giving this for free. You can use it. I will even add the logo pack font as well. You can see all these fonts are very nice and very designed in a way that you can use it. So remember to subscribe, and the download is in the description. And remember, it is password protected. Watch the video to the end. Find the password in the video. Just watch it to the end. It will help you to do it very well. Yes, I have a lot of fonts that I've added: Acrobat, Aveni, Futura, Gotham, Greenmill, Helvetica, Monica, Maja, a lot of fonts, Dope, Pacifico, Bismarck, Backpass, a lot of fonts that I'm giving out today. Baskerville as a school font, and Citadel the Creative. A lot. I'm giving all this for free, and remember to subscribe. And download and find the password in the video. I think that one will help you. Yes. Remember this is Wringle Motion. Remember to subscribe. Subscribe and help a brother to produce things like this. We have also fonts like Fallen, Posima Nova, a lot of fonts. So we are here for you. Download it and use. Thank you for watching. I'm glad that you came back joining Wringle Motion. Thank you and bye bye.